Want deeper insights into your health and fitness, right from your feet, with more than just basic weight tracking? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the RENPHO MorphoScan Nova Smart Scale, featuring advanced body composition tracking, high-precision sensors, and a sleek modern design. With smart app connectivity through the RENPHO app and easy step-on activation, it delivers fast, accurate, and effortless insights into your weight, body fat, and overall health metrics for everyday fitness monitoring. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the RENPHO MorphoScan Nova Smart Scale, charging cable, quick start guide, technical specifications. The RENPHO MorphoScan Nova features a sleek and modern design with a sturdy platform and a built-in handheld bar for enhanced functionality. The materials feel durable and well-crafted, while the overall design remains user-friendly and comfortable for everyday use. Its large base ensures stability, and the integrated display adds a premium touch to the overall experience. Equipped with advanced dual-frequency sensors, the scale delivers highly accurate and consistent measurements every time you step on it. This improved precision allows it to detect even small changes in your body composition, making it a reliable tool for tracking progress over time, whether you're losing fat, gaining muscle, or maintaining your fitness level. The scale goes beyond basic weight tracking by offering over 50 body measurements, including body fat percentage, muscle mass, water levels, and metabolic age. These detailed insights help you better understand your body from multiple angles, making it easier to adjust your fitness routine and stay on track with your health goals. With seamless connectivity to the RENPHO Health app, all your data is automatically synced and stored for easy access. The app provides clear charts, progress tracking, and goal-setting features, allowing you to monitor improvements over time and stay motivated throughout your fitness journey. Product features. App connection. First, download the RENPHO app from the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. This app is essential because it is where all your weight and body data will be stored and tracked over time. Next, make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone and place the scale on a flat, hard surface. Open the RENPHO app and tap on Add Device, then select the body scale option. Step onto the scale to wake it up, which allows the app to detect it nearby and begin the pairing process. Finally, once the scale appears on your app screen, tap Connect to complete the pairing. After successful connection, your scale will automatically sync all measurements directly to the app every time you step on it, allowing you to easily track your progress and monitor your health over time. How to use. Before using the scale, make sure it is fully charged for accurate and uninterrupted performance. To charge it, use the included charging cable and plug it into the charging port on the handle. connect it to a suitable power source, and allow it to charge fully before first use. Place the scale on a hard, flat surface and step on with clean, dry feet. Gently lift the built-in retractable handle from the base. Hold it firmly with both hands, arms slightly extended in front of you at about chest level. Stand upright and remain still while the scan completes. The handle contains additional electrodes that send a safe, low-level electrical signal through your upper body. Do not wear socks, as direct skin contact is required for body composition tracking. Make sure your feet are positioned correctly and touching all 4 metal electrodes on the scale. Keep your legs slightly apart and avoid letting your knees touch to ensure accurate and consistent measurements. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Place on a stable surface. Keep it dry. Use barefoot properly. Avoid overloading or impact. Store safely when not in use. Product comparison. The RENPHO MorphoScan Nova features a premium tempered glass platform with an integrated retractable handle and 8-electrode system, giving it a more advanced and sturdy feel. The Arbolieff CS10E also uses a glass-top design with a handle-based segmental system, but focuses more on a lightweight, simplified build for everyday home use. The MorphoScan Nova comes with a 4.3-inch full-color TFT display built into the handle, allowing instant reading without needing the app. The Arbolieff CS10E offers a smart handle display as well, but with a more basic interface focused on essential metrics and app dependency for deeper insights. The MorphoScan Nova delivers 50+ body metrics with dual-frequency BIA and advanced segmental fat and muscle analysis, offering near clinical-level precision. The Arbolieff CS10E also provides segmental body composition tracking, but typically focuses on fewer metrics with standard BIA technology, making it slightly less detailed in deep analytics. The MorphoScan Nova syncs seamlessly with the RENPHO Health app, offering trend tracking, detailed reports, and multi-user support with no subscription required. The Arbolieff CS10E connects to the Arbolieff app with basic tracking features, supporting progress monitoring and user profiles, but with a simpler ecosystem and fewer advanced insights. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.